Susan's wedding day. Susan is getting married. Her fiancé's name is Michael. They are in love. Today is the big day, the day they have been dreaming of. Susan wakes up with the sun, her heart fluttering like a butterfly. Today is her wedding day. First, she goes to the salon to have her hair styled in elegant curls. Next, a makeup artist adds a touch of sparkle to her eyes and a rosy blush to her cheeks. When she looks in the mirror, Susan sees a beautiful bride smiling back. Back at home, it's time to put on the dress. It's a beautiful white gown that flows like a waterfall. She carefully places the delicate veil on her head. Something blue, her mother reminds her. Susan smiles and lifts the hem of her dress to reveal a lacy blue garter. Something old, her grandmother says, slipping a worn gold ring onto Susan's finger. It has been in their family for generations. Something borrowed, her mother says, fastening a string of pearls around Susan's neck. They were the same pearls her mother wore on her wedding day. Something new, Susan says to herself, wiggling her toes in her brand new, sparkling shoes. Her dress is new too, a perfect symbol for a new beginning. And a penny for your shoe, her father says with a wink, tucking a shiny penny into her left shoe for good luck. Now Susan is ready. With a heart full of love and dreams, she is ready to walk down the aisle and marry the man she loves.